Welcome to assemblyhub.us, your go-to solution for all assembly needs. We specialize in gazebo installation, shed assembly, pergolas, pavilions, and furniture assembly, as well as playset installation and TV mounting. Our team is dedicated to providing efficient and reliable service for your convenience. Wondering if we can come to you? Yes, we do travel beyond Clovis, California to offer our services. Contact us for more details on how we can assist you in your location. Call or text 559-803-1808 and ask for T. Curious about how long your assembly project might take? The duration varies based on the size and complexity of the project. We provide an estimated timeline after you book with us, but do complete most projects the same day. Concerned about the cost? Our rates depend on the specific service you require. For a personalized quote, feel free to call us at 559-803-1808 and we'll be happy to discuss your needs and budget. Booking our services is simple and convenient. You can schedule directly through our website, or again, give us a call or text at 559-803-1808. We're here to make the process as smooth as possible for you. Our team of skilled professionals is committed to delivering top-notch assembly services. We ensure that every project is completed with precision and care, meeting your expectations and enhancing your space. At assemblyhub.us, customer satisfaction is our priority. We strive to provide exceptional service and support throughout your assembly experience. Your feedback is valuable to us, and we continuously work to improve our offerings. Thank you for considering assemblyhub.us for your assembly needs. We look forward to serving you and making your assembly projects hassle-free. Contact us today at 559-803-1808 to get started on your next project.